Hello guys. Microsoft has developed a new version of Edge browser. Today we will learn how to install Edge in Windows 10. Go to Google Chrome. Open it. Search for Microsoft Edge. Click on the first link on page. Once you open it, you have three options to download Microsoft Edge. You see the first link here. After you scroll down, the other link is at top right corner, and further bit scrolling one link is down here. Now click on any of the link provided. Accept the terms and conditions. And it will start downloading setup file. Open the download folder. Double click on setup file. Click run. Allow this app to make changes in your PC. And it will start installing new Edge in your PC. After the installation is finished, see here at you have various ways of setting your home page. Inspirational, informational, and focused one. I am going to select informational, cause it shows daily news to me. And I am not going to sign up. And that's it. We are done here.